international markets have been really hot. And so we think there's some opportunities for investors to be looking outside. And certainly the flows and the performance in international ETFs have been really strong year to date, and we think will continue to be.
Chris, thanks for joining me here
Thanks
at
for having me,
the
Judy.
NYSE studio. We're here at ETF Experience in Las Vegas. So, Chris, I want to start off by talking about the market opportunities or trends that you're currently seeing.
Yeah, well, I think the big trend over the past 12 months has certainly been on the investment side, the broadening out of U.S. equity markets and how to play the broadening out of those exposures. Clearly, that's been a good thing to do year to date. And typically that's been done by whether it's equally weighting your large cap exposure or maybe moving down to mid and small caps. What we think a missed opportunity has been going overseas and looking internationally for equity exposure, playing the broadening out, not just here in the U.S., but in the international market. As we know, year to date here in 2025, international markets are really hot. And so we think there's some opportunities for investors to be looking outside. And certainly the flows and the performance in international ETFs have been really strong year to date, and we think will continue to be.
Now, tell me, Chris, how is T. Rowe addressing these trends or opportunities that you're currently seeing?
When you talk to advisors that look overseas in investing, whether it's in the equity markets or fixed income markets, they tend to prefer active management. But up until recently, there really haven't been many opportunities in the ETF wrapper for advisors to access time-tested active management in the international equity markets, for example. And so we have TOUS, which is our T. Rowe Price International Equity ETF, that is looking to kind of meet that gap in the market for solid active management, but international exposure to equities. And year to date, it's performing extremely well here in 2025. And we think that the trend will continue and that investors should look for active management in that asset class, given the disparity of returns across different countries and sectors within the international equity markets.
All right, and finally, where should investors go to learn more about your ETFs and your market views?
Yeah, troweprice.com/explore ETFs. You can find all the information there.
All right, great to talk with you, Chris. Thanks
Thanks
for
for
joining
having
me.
me.